It's about the nicest landing we've had so far today. Oh, see? That's all right. And then you're about ready to go here. If is he going up again or?
No, he's gonna wait till I'm done.
Are you done, Marty? Okay. All right, I'm gonna let him get going here.
Here's the cover.
Flip it over, let it do its thing. Flip your AS stabilize on here. Give it a second or two. Okay, that says it's done. All right, check your controls here real quick.
Is it alright, Marty, or no? Like.
Okay, you should be good to roll here, man. Give you a little bit of flaps there. I timed your flaps for you too, so you get a 2-second. All right, Mike's maiden flight of his E-Flite timber.
Safe is on though, right?
Yeah, safe is on. Is it like I said, as soon as you get it up, you all of a sudden, you immediately feel comfortable with it, don't you? Now, if you get into a weird position, just take it up and like put it in a weird position, throttled on, and just let go of the sticks completely once. It just flattens out, self-corrects.
That's awesome.
Remember, you only got a couple minutes on this battery.
Right.
Give you a good reason to go home and charge up some more, huh? You try the flaps out?
No, not yet. Still.
A little power into the with the wind. There you go. Oh, that's without flaps. Now, if you throw the flaps on, it doesn't change anything because we did the differential, so it won't pop up or balloon on you. Keep it powered. Remember that basketball thing, rim and backboard over there is notorious for airplanes around here.
You got flaps?
Yeah, watch out for that fire hydrant. See?
Where do I gotta land? Towards the helicopter? Oh, shit.
Up a little bit and kill power. That's not bad, dude. Not bad. Hey! Okay, now I always kill my throttle cut off, okay? And then I turn off my AS3X so the flaps don't keep going crazy.
Do they make
And then I
better?
kick my flaps back up. What's that?
They make better clevis, you know, for these micro flyers.
Yeah, I think so. They've got like the ball clevises and stuff, I think, for that stuff. Cool. And not a walk of shame. That was his maiden flight on the timber. Not bad, buddy. Good job, Mike. Good job, buddy.
They got Mike's plane too.
I thought, isn't that his plane? No. Oh, the Sukhoi?
They glued it all back together.
Oh, I thought that was the Apprentice. An Apprentice. You guys got a pair of those. Okay, I get it. Yeah, because the AS3X is on. It's still trying to stabilize, but it won't be flipping your flaps all over the place with it, you know, with the safe turned off.
something weird.
That's not weird. That's normal.
Man, this glue
You
is
set it back down and it'll stop. See? That's just normal because of the gyro. Here you go, buddy. Everything's on safe right now, so. All right, good flight, bud. Rock out.
I got out of it.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll kill this for now until I can get that cub out.